Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Troll and Toad unboxing coming up. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a 6 by 5 by 4 inches Troll and Toad package number 3382. And this one is a test package for me because I was trying out buy and ship for the first time. And as you can see, the address here, the name is not my real name, but but a generated name from buy and ship. Okay, and this is the warehouse from Portland, USA. Okay, so I think for buy and ship, it goes first to Portland and then to the Hong Kong warehouse, and then finally, once consolidated, it's delivered here in the Philippines. So I wanted to try that. Okay, so it was expected delivery Saturday, April 15. So you can see here, it might have arrived 25th in Hong Kong. And what else? Are there any other dates here? 14 April might be the delivery to Portland. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this package. As a test package, this would contain oldies but goodies from Troll and Toad. Okay, so you can always find old figures in Troll and Toad especially, as well as modern figures. So there's only a few figures as a test delivery. We see here air. And then we have our items. Okay, so let's take them all out. Packaging seems very good. Okay, so we have here a Golden Age figure. We have a bunch of this, a Shadow Cat, but this one is the actual name, Kitty Pryde. Okay, so the LE from the explosion. Okay, with the flight stand, and yeah, there's no lock kit here. I think that was the original intention. Okay, so we have Kitty Pryde. Let's see who we have next. Here. Some of the figures are carded, as you can see here. We have, let's see. We have North Star. Okay. This is the LE edition. We have Tipito from the Deadpool and the X-Force. Okay, Squirrel Girl and Tipito. We have Aurora. Kitty Pryde. Okay, I think we already have this. We just want the card. And Elsa Bloodstone. Similarly, we have this figure, but we're missing the card. Okay, let's see if all the figures are here. Plus, there should be some more. Okay, so we have, for example, some more. We have the Wade Wilson LE. Okay, from Mutation set. And then we have Typhoid Mary Experience from Explosion. Okay, and as you can see for Troll and Toad, the condition is really mint even for Golden Age figures, so that's why I love buying from them. We have Viper Experience. Okay, look at those eyes. And then we have another Typhoid Mary Rookie. Okay, so Typhoid Mary is a mutant, so we have to get her as well as part of the collection. The second, how do we call it? Bubble wrap package contains the carded figures of Elsa Bloodstone. Okay, nice. I think this is in better condition than what I have, so I might use this figure in my collection. There. Then we have Tipito. This can be a placeholder for Senor Scratchy as well. Okay. And we have Kitty Pride facing through the computer. Okay. She's a hacker. Yeah, I think the condition is better for this, so I'll probably check that out if that will replace the one in my collection. And the last bubble wrap package should contain North Star and Aurora. Let's see. Oops, sorry. Yes, we have North Star. We have Aurora, his sister. Okay, so they go together. Okay, perhaps a duo fig for these two is in order for the next X-Men set. Now we have Deathlock, experience rather. Okay, from Sinister set, and finally we have the Silver Samurai experience from Explosion. Okay, so everything's here, complete, in good condition, and I would say fast shipping. So definitely, I'm gonna try some more buy and ship as an alternate way, okay, of getting figures from the US to the Philippines without the figures going through my parents. Okay, so bye-bye everyone. See you in the next video.